The reinforced middle block, or Ssang Soo Mahk Ki. The reinforced middle block, Ssang Soo Mahk Ki. Ssang Soo Mahk Ki. Load. Chamber your neutral hand with the palm facing downward. Bring your blocking hand across your body and on top of your chambered hand. The palm should also be facing downward. Block. Using your top hand, perform an inside-outside middle block. Stop your block with your middle finger in front of your nose. Using your other hand, reinforce your block by bringing it across your body and stopping just before the elbow. Load. Ssang Soo, 1, 2. Load. Ssang Soo, 1, 2. Load. Ssang Soo, 1, 2. The reinforced middle block moving down the floor with the stance.